Artificial intelligence is no longer a future concept, it's already transforming classrooms, colleges, and universities worldwide. From personalized learning to intelligent tutoring, AI is reshaping how we teach, learn, and prepare for the future. AI in education refers to smart computer systems that can analyze data, recognize patterns, and support learning. These systems adapt to students' needs, assist teachers, and improve educational outcomes at scale. Tutoring, AI is reshaping how we teach, learn, and prepare for the future. AI enables personalized learning by adapting lessons to each student's pace and skill level. Instead of one-size-fits-all teaching, students receive customized support, helping them learn faster and more effectively. Students use AI for tutoring, research assistance, writing support, and study planning. AI tools can explain complex topics, generate practice questions, and provide instant feedback, anytime, anywhere. Educators use AI to automate grading, track student progress, design lesson plans, and identify learning gaps. This saves time and allows teachers to focus on what matters most, meaningful instruction and student engagement, anywhere. AI in education raises important questions about data privacy, academic integrity, bias, and over-reliance on technology. Schools must use AI responsibly, ensuring fairness, transparency, and human oversight. The future of education combines human creativity with AI intelligence. When used correctly, AI becomes a powerful assistant, not a replacement, helping students and educators unlock their full potential, transparency, and human oversight. AI is transforming education, but the goal remains the same: empowering learners. Stay informed, use AI responsibly, and prepare for the future of learning. Unlock their full potential, transparency, and human oversight.